Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, depending on where you are. Um, I'm actually kind of a day late doing this because, well, maybe not a day. It hasn't been a full 24 hours yet. Um, it's Thursday. It's very early morning, and where I live. But yeah, yesterday the mailman came, and I got this. Oh yes, I bought another piece or another pack. Sorry, of Atlas 22-inch radius curves to fill that spot right there where the coaches are just blocking it. So yeah, it's time to finally fill this gap in. Also, this is fun to do. Watching a joiner slide on a package. Yeah, it's kind of fun. All right, let's do this. So yeah, it's like I said, I had to buy another pack to fill in the gap where it has my 18-inch radius curves on it. So yeah, let's tear this puppy open. Just like my other ones, as usual, so damn tough to get open. Okay. There we go. Excuse me. Kids, be careful using a knife. You can hurt yourself and you will get boo-boos. There we go. Might want to close that. I don't want to get a boo-boo. Ouchies. Okay, can I dig into this? No. Try it again. Alright, can I dig into it now? He says. No. I will get into this. Hopefully that's not... Yeah, that was loose. I didn't notice it can get loose. Alright, now let's see. There we go. There we go. I got it. Come on. Come on. I think I can. I think I can now. Okay. Come on. There we go. Alright. Hell yeah. Sorry for the language. Alright. Put it right here. There we go. Okay. Trash to one side. More trash one side. More trash one side. More trash one side. Refocus on the beautiful track. Right. Still the same as my other ones, obviously. And what's special, what's amazing about these, if I can get them, is they come with rail joiners. Get the other ones here. There we go. Like that. Try to. This is kind of fun to do. Watch this. That's so cool to do. Okay. I'm gonna put the joiners on the rails, and we'll get to it. So yeah, when you do get some 22-inch radius curves, try to measure them at the hobby shop instead of buying them online straight away. Because I had no idea they would be such wide curves when I would get them, and I didn't know I had to buy some more. So yeah. Alright, there's 4 joiners cut up. Get the other, if I can pick them up. Oh my god, it's embarrassing. Alright. Can I? Yes, I can. Good. Alright. Cut these. Yeah, I would be cursing myself because I would be cursing myself really badly just because I didn't know what to do when I found out that I didn't had enough. There we go. All right. I'm gonna grab me a piece of track. I'll put the joiners on because I think that's what everybody's interested in. All right. Yeah. All right. All right. There's one in. If I can get this one in shot. The other one's in it. All right. Good. Now do the other. That one's in. And that one's in. Now the other. Come on. That one's in. And that one's in. Now one more, then I'll do the rest off camera. Come on. There we go. That one's in. Get this one. Come on. And that wasn't. All right. I'm gonna do these two off camera, and I'll be right back. All right, all 6 pieces of track are now done. So now it is finally time to get rid of that section. All right, let's do this. Curves in my layout, I can finally say 18-inch radius, let bygones be bygones. So yeah. I did take the coaches out for just a second because I want to test this out, which is a single locomotive first. So I'm going to test Tornado out, see how she does. Okay, here we go. There she goes. I know she'll make it around, but we'll see. There goes first bend. Now she's behind my drums, snare and a tom, my guitar amplifier. Here she comes back around. She made it. And she has made it. Alright. Now I'll put the coaches on. I'll be right back. Okay, I let Tornado back on these coaches. There we go. That was a big crunch there. Alright. Let's see how she does. Or let's see how the coaches do. And later I'll test the P2 out, see how it does, because it likes to derail on the corners on the 18-inch radius. Yeah, that's a really big difference. No dips, no dips, and basically, and I don't know what to say anymore. And the best part is, this is a huge bonus, they're all nickel silver. So all the 22-inch radius curves are all nickel silver, so that is a huge bonus for me. Steel track sucks. Even though, oh, wrong ones. I am gonna keep these though. I'm not gonna throw them away because one day rust. They can be really useful for abandoned siding and whatnot. And, yeah. All right, I'm gonna test the P2 out. I'll be right back. Alright, now the P2 Caucus of the North is online. I want to do this before the video ends because when I had 22-inch radius curves, right there, this thing would like to derail sometimes. Well, the front truck would derail, and then the front driving wheel would derail. So let's see if it'll go around okay. So far so good. If I can zoom in. Yeah, just barely. I think it's still on. Is it still on? Please tell me it's still on. Guess it's still on. Alright. Made it through. But I might have to give it a few laps though, just in case. Alright, anyways. I will end the video here. Give you a run by of the P2. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you later.